screws are held to within 2/10. Sometimes we can even hold tighter than that if we want. The accuracy of it, the fact that we can just turn it on and let it run, very reliable. You can do anything you want to program it to do. John Lindquist, journeyman toolmaker, machinist, been here working in Superior for 20 years. Journeyman toolmaker, you need 2 years of schooling and 3 years of apprenticeship program. You need to be proficient in mathematics, geometry, trigonometry. Before Wire EDM was around, whenever you would have a shape, a rectangle or a square or a triangle or anything like that, you used to have to cut the part in half and then work from the shape from the side view instead of the top view. Put into the machine and it runs the following the program to its shape and size. You take the slug out of the hole and whatever the shape is, the electricity that cuts the shape out, cuts the material away. And when the part's done, it's done. Gone back to school twice. Companies help me out with training, hoping to go back again. Co-workers are fantastic, work to help each other out. They make everything work better. Personally, I do have a variety of stuff to do. My day is not boring by any means.